What's the meaning of blind test? Blind test. Blind test.
Blind test. Blind test. A blind test is a type of experiment or evaluation in which the participants are not aware of certain key information about the test object, such as its identity, properties, or source. This lack of knowledge is intended to eliminate biases or preconceptions that might affect the participants' judgments or decisions. Blind tests can be used in various fields, such as product testing, scientific research, or quality control. For example, a blind taste test might evaluate the flavor of different food products without revealing their brand names. A blind study might compare the efficacy of two drugs without disclosing their manufacturers.